Yo guys, welcome to part 2 of the coin pickup, and today we're going to be making a bob effect. So the coin goes up and down to make it more enticing for players to pick them up, because frankly they look poo like this, absolutely doo-doo. So we will be sorting this out, and you're probably wondering why I've already got a variable down here, and we do need this. So I will delete it and we can remake it, and we want a variable called start Z. You're probably wondering to yourself, why are you doing that? And we want this to be 20. This is the starting location of where the coin will be. So when we do make the bob effect, it doesn't actually flip into the ground, which I can't show you. So if we get a timeline, got this bob time, line, like that. Open it up. We want a float track, and we want this to be it could be between 1 and 5 seconds. If you have it at 1, it's going to be a faster bob effect, and higher your number, the slower the bob effect is going to be. So we want 1, 2, and 3 keys. On this one, we want the time to be 0 and the value to be 0. On this one, the time will be 0.5. And this will be 0 and 0 and 0. No, not 0, 1. End of the track. God damn, done. 0.5, and you want the value to be 20. Oh. You want loop and autoplay to be active, like so. And then after the update, set world location, and you want the coin like that. Now we can drag that out and off that. You want to split it. Then off this, you want a break vector. You also want to split this. Put that into the Z. Put this into the Z. That into the X and the Y. And then copy this coin variable, and then you want to get world location, this one right here, and then you can split these pins, and you want to put the X and the Y into there. And when you compile, save, and then you load it in, the coins are in the ground, and we don't really want that to happen. So what we're going to do is move this out a bit, because now we need to add more stuff. So what we need a plus here. Like that. Gonna put that there like that. And now, if we just do that to make it a little bit neater. This doesn't go in here. This does. like so. But I'm going to bring these down a bit. That way it's not clipping with the start Z. Alright, and from here, get a break vector. And you want that in the Z like that. And then off here, you want to get actor location like that. And that should work. And there you go, guys. That is how you do the bob. Now, when we pick up, we're going to want a sound because, yeah, again, doo-doo. And this one's easy. On this bit here, we can just go play 2D sound. So this is a sound that plays every time you pick up a coin. And I've imported my sound. There. And it's that easy. All the sound effects and materials will be in my Discord. So don't forget to check that out in the description below. And I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.